got the child inside Rajiv so excited is definitely worth taking a look at. And if you are someone who always imagined life in the fast lane, have we got a great gizmo for you. It's time to roll with these amazing new hoverboards. The good people from the completely made in India brand, U-Boat India, have decided to revamp the hoverboard space with their state-of-the-art U-Boat Hybrid hoverboard. Available both in 8 and 10 inches and a plethora of color options, this baby can be yours with a very hefty investment of Rs 42,999. Now before you get disheartened, let us run you through some of its amazing features to convince you of its awesomeness. The U-Boat Hybrid is a perfect toy for children and adults alike. Not only is it super fun to use, it has specially been constructed keeping the Indian roads in mind. Never before has the ground clearance been so great on a hoverboard, so as to allow the ability to run smoothly over bumps and also jump onto a different road level if need be. It's so cool that it can easily glide through puddles and move smoothly over gravel and grass alike. On a full charge, this bad boy can go on for 12 kilometers, and don't sweat it if you're running out of juice, because the hybrid is programmed to give off light and sound alarms at 25% and then at 10% remaining battery power. And as for the battery, the developers have created their very own state-of-the-art battery which allows air to enter and cool it down, ensuring there is no overheating. Coming a long way from those pesky make-do battery packs. The LED lights allow the board to be visible at night, making those after-dark rides a safe possibility. And if that wasn't enough, this baby is dust and waterproof, so no more excuses to not take it out to play. Oh, and we almost forgot. It comes equipped with Bluetooth speakers that have the most sensational sound quality, so you'll always be listening to your tunes while taking a spin. So now that we've told you all about the cool tech components, let's give you a little step-by-step guide on how to control this beast. Safety first, kids, so strap on your helmets. Then simply place your dominant foot on the board and quickly hop on with the other. After that, it's all about posture, posture and posture. Keep your body straight and just bend a little with your knees to go forward. And if you want to turn left or right, simply ease the pressure on one foot to take a turn accordingly. Even though these guys are total experts on this, we think it might be a good idea to practice for a day or maybe 20. The U-Boat Hybrid hoverboard definitely gets a big thumbs up from us. And trust us when we say this, once you go hovering, walking begins to feel slightly redundant.